Listen, if you're still not making money online with your smartphone, then this video is for you, because you can't be broke last year and still be broke this year. This is my Selar account, and if I click on this three line here and go to my sales or loading, someone just paid for a course. Let me get rid of this. And if I scroll down here, you can see that on this account I've generated more than 14,000 sales, and the sales what I've earned on this account is around 8 million naira. I'm not talking about other currencies, just naira alone. Now the product I'm selling on this platform is the complete course on 3D logo design, and these are these numbers of people who have bought it. These are the numbers of pages. And just to prove to you that this is real, let me try and refresh this page. This is not MMM, this is not Ponzi scheme. You can see all the numbers of sales, the 8 million naira and all that amount are still intact. And this is exactly how I am making money online using my smartphone. Now you might be wondering, what business model is this? This is called affiliate marketing. Now how can you get started? All you have to do is to get a product you want to sell, get your link, promote that product, and you get paid. Now there are a lot of affiliate platforms available on the internet. Let me show you another one as an example. This is another platform called Stakeout. Now all you have to do on this platform is to sign up, or I just want to log into one of my account, a brand new account, to show you how it is done. Now on this account, the first thing you need to do once you sign up to any affiliate platform, I think I've made 16 bucks on this account. Now the first thing you need to do is to always put in your bank account on any platform you are in, so that you can get paid. Now let me navigate to this section here and scroll down to the settings section. Now this is my account. You can see here that my bank account is already set up, so this is where my payment will be sent to. So that is the first step when you sign up to any affiliate platform. Now let me show you how to get products. You just need to go to the marketplace here. This will pull out all the product you can sell, done for you product. You don't need to create any products, you don't need to brand any product. All these are hot selling products you can sell. Now what you need to do is to pick one product of your choice. Let's say I want to go with this Amazon KDP for smartphone. I just click on promote. This will pull out this interface, the vendor's name, and all you have to do is to copy your affiliate link, this link you are seeing here. Now once you copy this link, the next step is to start selling. Once someone buys this particular product through this link, you're going to earn money. That is exactly how it works. But one of the major problems I see that beginners are facing, especially and also those who are into the system that have never made money online with affiliate marketing, one of the major problem is actually how to generate sales, because the business is simple as you can think. Once you don't sell, you're not getting paid, because this is a commission based business. But the question is, how am I generating massive sales? The sales you are saying, there are over 14,000 sales. Now the question is, how am I generating sales like that? Now I'm using an automated sales funnel to drive massive sales. Now what this means is, I am not the one doing all the marketing. I allow the AI, I set up a sales funnel plus integration, then I allow the AI to market my product. For instance, let me go back. I just come to any affiliate platform of my choice. I select a product, like let me say I want to go with this product. Now once I select the product, I copy this link. Now I see most people, especially on YouTube, they tell you to copy your link and go to platform like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and post your link there, because that is how you can generate sales. If you are using this method, I will give you 20 years from now, you will not make any sale. Even if you are going to make a sale, you will struggle, because that method doesn't work. So once I copy my link like this, I use this link to set up a sales funnel to drive an automated traffic into this link. Now, I'm not the one doing all the marketing because I don't have time to market my product. I don't have time to sell my product. So what I'm saying is, I set up a funnel, then I go to sleep, allow the AI to do the marketing. Now let me show you. There is a link below this video. This will take you to the AI marketing sales funnel. This is it. So instead of you struggling, begging people to buy from you, marketing on social media and not getting any result, why not allow the AI marketing sales funnel to sell your product while you sleep? This is the AI marketing blueprint. Instead of you marketing, begging, struggle to generate sales, why not automate your sales faster with the AI marketing funnel? Now, most of you might be thinking, is this an application? Is this an app? No. This is my complete mentorship program where I walk you through step by step on how to start affiliate marketing and make money with it. I teach you the basic fundamental background of affiliate marketing and how you can profit with it. I'm also giving a discount to the new student to get access to this blueprint for 10,000 naira only, instead of paying the 30,000 naira actual price. Now, this is what you'll be getting. These are results from my student. This is someone who made almost 1 million naira with this blueprint without doing any marketing, with organic traffic. You can do organic, you can do paid traffic, but most of the time I do organic traffic. This is another result from my student. This is another result. This is another result. This is another result. Someone who made more than 1 million naira using this automated funnel. Now, this is a disclaimer. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Now, all these results you are seeing here, those students put in the effort to achieve this result. This doesn't mean that once you set up the funnel overnight you're going to make money. So if you are lazy, you're not ready to put in the work, don't bother to get this program. It will not work for you. But if you're ready to put in the work, you are determined, you're willing to learn so that you can start making money with affiliate marketing, then this program is for you. Now, this is what you're going to be learning. You'll be getting access to the private community, my multi-millionaire blueprint, the affiliate marketing setup process, done for you AI marketing script, all limited traffic generating secret, my affiliate money hack, one-on-one personal support, graphic designing class, affiliate marketing, and so on. There are a lot of things you'll be learning from this program, and most of it all, this program is also backed with 30 days money back guarantee. So you have absolutely nothing to lose. If at the end of 30 days you implemented this strategy and you did not get any money with it, just DM me, you will get your money back in full. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Now, one more thing before I go, just to test that this system actually works, this particular program here, the AI funnel, is available in the Selar platform. You can promote this product if you're an affiliate on the Selar platform, but just to test it that this actually works, I created a brand new Selar account yesterday, and I market this particular product, this AI funnel, using the strategy that is implemented in the course that I teach my students in the course. I use this method to sell this particular product. Now let me go to my Selar platform here. Let me click on this section and log in. Let me log in the account I created yesterday, and let's see how much I've generated. Now this is the account here, and again let me go to sales, and you can see that on this account I've made 12 sales just yesterday. 12 sales. I've made 52,000 naira and some other couple of sales. You can see this is the product I am promoting, the AI marketing funnel, AMS blueprint. So if you really want to stop struggling, whether you are a complete beginner, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, or you are someone who is into the system but you have never generated a sale before, so why not allow the AI marketing funnel to sell your product even when you are sleeping? So if you are serious and you want to learn, you want to become my student, all you need to do is to go to the description of this video, just the way I show you. Go to the description of this video, click on it and join the mentorship program. Let me mentor you step by step on how you can generate sales. And The good thing is that every single thing is done with your smartphone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need a website. Just with your smartphone, your willingness to learn, I can teach you step by step on how you can generate sales just like this with just your smartphone. If you're willing to learn, click the link and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting more content like this on how to make money online on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you'll be getting more updates from this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.